everyone. It is glitter month. I am Jennifer Stroman. I go by the hashtag glitter CEO, and it is glitter month. And I'm going to talk to you about the Red Aspen Opportunity Kit and what it means to have the back to school opportunity kit and why you need to join us during glitter month. So I hope that you're having an amazing day. Let's talk about this kit. So if you've been thinking about Red Aspen, now is the time to absolutely get this kit. So this beautiful pink Padfolio, which, I mean, come on guys, on Wednesdays we wear pink, right? So it is the first of the month. It is a Wednesday and I had to wear my pink, but you get this beautiful pink Padfolio and you get so many other really cool goodies. So let's talk about it. You get some business tools and you get some little checklists, social media tips, how to do your goals. But one of my favorite pieces of information in this kit is our mission and our values. So it comes with a little card, a welcome card signed by the founders. And then the other side is our mission, which is to inspire women to stand up, stand out, and stand together by uniting passion with purpose. Then it also shows our values: courageous, playful, curious, and fulfilled. And I love that because you can put this somewhere, you can remember it, why you joined. This is a very good reason to be a part of Red Aspen. So let's talk about what comes in this beautiful pink Padfolio. So you have a nice little pretty pocket there. You have a pocket back here with the zipper. When you open this up, you actually, this is not how it comes. Guys, I just shoved stuff in here. But this has lots of different pockets. There's pockets on both sides. There's a little insert on both sides. There's actually a little place for your pens or pencils. It's really cool. So with your kit, you are going to get 4 different lashes, and we're going to go over each of those. And then you also get your tools. So with your tools, you are going to get your applicator. Guys, this applicator is to die for. I love how easy it fits in your hand. The applicator just, it's very comfortable to the feel. It is curved, so when you are putting on your lash, it is going to be in place a lot easier. I like the back of this. When I put on my lashes, it pops into place, and then I flip it over and I tap it into place. It is just an amazing tool, and you can do it with one hand. And it's not too big, not too small, perfect. It's perfect. People who have been putting on lashes forever and ever and use tweezers come to me and tell me that this is life. So you get the applicator. You also get our mini lash adhesive, or mini, you come with a full size, not a mini. You come with our lash adhesive, but guys, it is what we call unicorn glue. It's our unicorn milk, okay? So our unicorn milk is our lash adhesive, and the reason that Ryan, which is one of the girls on our team that started saying that, unicorn milk, is because it goes on blue and it dries white or translucent. So it does dry clear, which is amazing. So our unicorn milk is one of our pieces that come in your kit. And then the last tool that comes in the kit is our mini scissors. These are so stinking cute. They're so stinking cute, and they're kind of like a, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like a soft metal. The coating is, I don't know how to explain it. It's amazing. It has a little bit of a curve. Let me see if I can show you. It's got a little, you can see that. It's got a little curve to it. And this is gonna be great for cutting over the little edges of your lash if you have issues, and you use it for anything. I mean, everybody needs a little pair of mini scissors in their makeup kit, trust me. So you get those 3 tools, and then you get 4 lashes. So you have 4 lashes that come in here with all these little pockets, all this. You also get your lashes. So you're going to get, I just have to preface that sometimes your kit's lashes will vary, but this is generally what you will get in your kit. You will get Mina. This is probably our most natural lash. This one, you gotta be very careful taking it out. The band is very thin and it's frail. You've got to be kind to it, okay? So this is Mina. That's one of our silk lashes. And then you get Gigi. Love the crisscross of this one. Let me show you the difference in Mina and Gigi, just so you see. This is a more natural lash, and then you have a little more of a va-va-voom, a little extra, and it's got that crisscross. That is Gigi. So you get your Mina and you get Gigi. Both of these are silk. And then you get 2 faux mink. So you get Vivian, which is typically what I wear. So Vivian is like the perfect cat eye. It is absolutely beautiful. It is faux mink, so it's it has a fluff to it. It is very airy and light and just absolutely beautiful. And then you get Priya. And Priya is one of our best-selling, one of the ones that a lot of people love as far as your foam ink, because it is one of the smaller ones. It's not a big lash, but it is a pretty good size, and it's 3D, it's layered, it's just a very fluffy, pretty lash. So you've got Vivian, which has that cat eye, and then you have Priya, and I don't know if you can kind of see. Let me see if I can, unless I take it out. Why don't I take one of these out so you can just see what the difference is. Your silk is gonna be almost like one line, okay? So these 3D are gonna be very different. If I can get the lash out, you're going to see that the layers are gorgeous. They are absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so look up close. Do you see how it's layered? Do you see that? It is fluffy and pretty. It's so soft. They're so soft. The bands on the foam ink are a little thicker than the silk, so just so you're aware of that. So you get 4 lashes, you get your mini scissors, you get a full size, not mini, a full size unicorn milk, which is our lash adhesive, and you also get our amazing lash applicator. But in the month of August, it's back to school, guys. Like, everyone's going back to school. Kids are going back to school, adults are going back to school, everybody's going back to school. It is school time. And because of that, I mean, hello, you need books, right? You've got to have your supplies. So we are actually including for free a lash book in your kit. So you are going to get this for free. This is our volume 1 of our lash book. And this, I got to show you, this is the most amazing thing. So it has a little clasp on the side and it's magnetic. So it does stay together. It's magnetic. Okay. This holds three lashes. 3. I mean, it's incredible. So you have the ability to hold 3 lashes in here, and guess what? Guess what? It actually holds your glue and your applicator, so you can pop this in there, and it will, if I can pop it in there, of course it's gonna give me a hard time. So you can, okay, maybe I'm doing it the wrong way. Oh, of course, you know, I don't pop it in the right way. So it actually holds these in there. And so you can hold your applicator, you can hold 3 lashes, and you've got your lash book. So this is awesome. I will tell you just a little extra tip that I learned is that if you do have your scissors, they fit really nicely if you sit them just like this on this side. If you like sit them on the side, it will close and it'll hold it also. So if you wanted to put your scissors in there, it does close completely and it does hold the scissors. There is a way to put them in there, but they're not supposed to be in there. I'm just saying if you need them. But this is a great travel set. You could have the 3 sets, or let's say you don't want to you don't want to keep them in your little containers everywhere. You can hold them in this book. Like, this is amazing. You get this free. This eye candy is yours for free. For free when you join in the month of August. So enjoy your back to school gift and get on this train now, because we're taking off. And what do I mean by that? We are a ground floor opportunity. We have accomplished so much in the last 9 months that we've been around. We actually hit $1 million in revenue in less than 5 months. I don't even know if there's another company out there that's done that. Like, ridiculous amounts of success. We also hit 2 million in less than 8 months, and we are zooming. We are going as fast as we can go. So we are going to be a full indie makeup brand. Right now, we have our lashes, and we have actually launched our brow pencil, and we have a brow highlighter, and we also have a lip oil, which is amazing. So we do have some goodies already in the works. We've got lots more launching throughout the year. Right now is the best time. If you want to have a phenomenal Christmas, now's the time to jump in. Now's the time to get in, because this is when the momentum builds. Your kids are in school and you're back to work and things are back into motion. The holidays are coming. The season is upon us, ladies. Now is the time to jump on this opportunity. So get out there, get your kit, talk to your brand ambassador, get their link, ask them some questions about what it takes to be a brand ambassador, because let me tell you, you don't have inventory. No inventory. They order off your site. It's an indie brand. That is the most amazing brand out there right now. Just go have some fun with it. You can post on social media, reach out to your friends. We don't do home parties or meetings. It is an absolute social selling atmosphere. And it is one that every woman that I know loves. And let me tell you what's really different about Red Aspen, the culture. We are uplifting. We're empowering. It is absolutely, I had someone say it was seriously life. It is seriously life. It is, because this is where we empower women. I told you what our mission statement is: to inspire women to stand up, stand out, and stand together by uniting passion with purpose, and that is exactly what we do here. This is a culture of women who collaborate, who join together, who work together, who love each other, who empower each other. It is not at all a negative environment, and it is such a wonderful place to be and to plant your feet and to grow a business. So I encourage you to reach out to your brand ambassador, find out what it takes, find out how you can sign up. Go sign up. And if you are my customer or you're watching me and you don't have a brand ambassador, reach out to me. I'm Jennifer Stroman and I would love to help you. Guys, have a great day.